Hi and welcome to another video to help you stay healthy effortlessly. This video is about the best detox or the cleanse for your body to stay healthy effortlessly without any diet, any shakes, any smoothies, any pill, powder, supplement or any product. Your body is designed to cleanse itself and detox itself naturally and not on occasions or on New Year or after a festival. It is designed to cleanse itself and detox itself naturally on a daily basis without any diet or product, provided you keep these three parameters clean. If you keep these three clean, then your body will detox itself naturally on a daily basis and you do not have to spend or go on any diet or any products, which also leads to harmful and adverse effects because the body is designed to cleanse itself naturally. So let's understand what are the three parameters that you need to keep clean in order to allow your body to cleanse itself, detox itself naturally. The first parameter you make sure you keep clean is you have to keep your head clean. Fear, worry, anxiety, overthinking, stress, all of these are damaging your body and it is compromising your body's natural detox and cleansing mechanism. Stress directly compromises your digestive health. This has been scientifically proven that 75 to 90% of all medical issues are due to a stress related illness. And if your body is under stress, there are illnesses which are directly linked with stress, which is stress induced hyperglycemia or diabetes, stress induced hypertension or stress induced headache. And stress is one of the common factor in majority of the modern day lifestyle disease. IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, majorly linked with stress. Hormonal imbalance, again majorly linked with stress. So if there is fear, worry, anxiety, overthinking, no juice, no diet, no green smoothie, no green salad will help you detox your body, because stress directly compromises your body's ability to heal and repair itself, and it puts your body under fight and flight response, which is not allowing your body's immune system to work efficiently and other organs to work efficiently to cleanse itself, to repair itself and to heal itself. So before you try any diet or go on any fancy juice or any tiring or damaging plan which tells you to eat only fruits or just survive on water or just drink this juice or just eat this pill and it is going to detox, please stay away from all these fancy promises. As I mentioned earlier in the video, that the body is intelligent enough to cleanse itself and detoxify itself naturally on a daily basis, provided you make sure that you first keep the parameter clean, which is keep your head clean, where making sure you eliminate stress and you bring back the smile on your face, happiness in your life. Make happiness and smile your best companion, and that is the one of the best detox and cleanser for your body, and you will not have to spend extra amount of time, money and effort on going any tiresome diet or buying any pill, powder, supplement or product. So keep the head clean, stress less and smile more. After cleaning the head, the next thing to keep clean is make sure you keep your heart clean. Envy, jealousy, hate, I'm not able to forgive people, ego, all of this is compromising your body's ability to heal. A lot of people are focused on what you eat, but what is eating inside you? What is eating you? There's a research done in America that out of all the cancer patients in America, 61% of cancer patients had issues with forgiveness. They were not able to forgive people. Ego, envy, jealousy, revenge. I will not forgive you. And when you have that thing in your heart, when your heart is not clean, when there is no love in your heart, when there is ego, jealousy, anger, then the body starts eating itself. It prevents detoxification. And the disease which is attacking your own body is cancer and other autoimmune diseases. So make sure, if you really want to detox your body naturally and you want to make sure that your body is healing and cleaning itself on a daily basis, then eliminate jealousy, eliminate envy, eliminate hate and bring back the love in your life. Forgiveness, going and giving a hug to somebody, saying I love you to people, bringing the love back in your life is one of the most powerful cleanser and detox for your body. It's okay, you don't have some organic fruits or organic food or organic supplement or some fancy or expensive powder, supplements and products. Your body does not need that. What your body needs is more smile, more happiness in your life, and it needs more love, more peace in your life. And when you eliminate all these negative emotions from your life which are eating you, then your body activates its natural power of cleansing and detoxification. Again, not occasionally, not yearly, not 6 monthly. It will detox and cleanse itself naturally on a daily basis. And when your head and heart are clean, you can go to sleep peacefully as well. And when you get a good night's sleep, sleep is one of, again, the major component of cleansing and detoxifying the body. So if the head is not clean, if the heart is not clean, your sleep will be compromised and you will fall into other bad habits or addiction. And the last but not the least of all the three is make sure you keep the stomach clean. Now, when you talk about keeping the stomach clean, obviously one parameter is that you eat healthy food, local home cooked food. There is no fancy food. You avoid processed, all packet or unhealthy food. So here I'm not talking about what to eat. Here the focus is on how much you eat and how you eat, because majority of the problem in today's time is because of overeating. If you eat more than what is required by your body, then it becomes difficult for your body to cleanse itself, detoxify itself and heal itself, because overeating is one of the major causes of damaging the entire digestive system and creating indigestion. And as mentioned in Canon of Medicine by Abu Ali Sina, that indigestion is the mother of all diseases and the source of bodily problems. And one of the factors which directly impacts indigestion is overeating. And if there is stress in your life, if there is hate, if you are not happy mentally and emotionally, then you automatically go and start overeating. You go and start eating unhealthy food. So eliminate overeating. Just eat normal home cooked food happily, with love, peacefully, and you make sure that you eat less and focus on feeding other people. When you go out and when you feed people, you get peace, you get smile in your life, you feel a lot of love from within, because when you feed somebody, the person gives you blessing, the person thanks you, and then there is this feeling of love. The happy hormones are secreted by the body, and that helps as a natural detox and cleansing mechanism. So eliminate overeating, eat less, feed more, eliminate hate, jealousy, envy, go and forgive people, give hugs, bring back the love in your life, and make sure you eliminate the stress and make happiness and smile your best companion. So if you keep your head, heart and stomach clean, your body will detox itself naturally, cleanse itself naturally. Once again, not weekly or monthly or yearly, it will cleanse itself on a daily basis and will help you stay healthy effortlessly. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about this, or if you have practiced this, if you have implemented this and you have seen the results in your life, please share it in the comments. Share it with your friends and family who are spending a lot of money, time and effort in buying the fancy products or going on the diet, which is also damaging their health in turn. So eliminate all the fancy diets or fancy products for detox or cleansing. Make sure to keep head, heart and stomach clean, and it will help you stay healthy effortlessly. Thank you so much. Once again, if you like the video, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in the next video.